Frekvenca za logistiko Slovenskega logističnega združenja.
So, Mr. Alex Van Breedam, can you explain us the good practice you explained on the congress about societies Nestlé and PepsiCo?
Yeah, well, that's an example of what we call smart logistics. If we look to logistics and supply chain today, we see that supply chains are shortening due to geopolitical issues. We see that where we had global supply chains in the past, they are now shortening. But we still will keep some more globalized supply chains, like, for instance, semiconductors, because raw materials are very hard to find at some limited places, and you can produce them only at some other limited places. So this means this shortening is ongoing. We will have shorter supply chain, but it's not going that rapidly. The second thing is we have to make our supply chains greener. The question is technology there? And if we look to long-haul transport, we see that for heavy trucks, technology is not there yet. I mean, you can already buy an electric truck. It costs you 3 times more as a fossil fuel truck, but you don't know how to arrange it with loading your truck, because every 300 kilometer max you have to load. And then it should correspond with the driving and rest times of your driver. So there are still a lot of things to be, hurdles to be taken there before we can drive electric. So if we want to be sustainable and zero emission as fast as possible, I don't think transport and the logistics sector can fully take part in this by reducing emission. Moreover, we cannot enter a situation where we want to just electrify the road congestion. It should be clear that today 1 truck on 4 runs empty in Europe. And that of the non-empty trucks, that the fill rate is hardly 57%. And what we see with the e-commerce is that shipments are decreasing in size. We have smaller and smaller shipments and more frequent. And this creates even more capacity problems, because you need more capacity to move all these shipments. But the problem is that if you need more capacity, your capacity fill rate will be much lower. And this will become a societal problem. And this societal problem we already see in cities. Cities are submerged by a lot of incoming vehicles wanting to deliver a parcel here or there and then move out again. So the livability of our society is at stake. And if we want to have a real solution for that, we have to collaborate. Because, as we said, technology will not be there sufficiently fast, or will not, let's say, solve this particular problem. We need to reduce the number of flows. We need to reduce the transport move. And therefore, we need to collaborate. And collaboration means that companies which are at the same level in the supply chain will have to work together.
So did you advise these 2 companies, Nestlé and PepsiCo, to collaborate?
Yeah. Well, let's say at the start, they had some ideas on that. But we as a company, Tri-Vizor, we are specialists in, let's say, making competitors even collaborate.
Are they competitors?
They are competitors because they are competitors in the chilled goods. So the chilled type of drinks and yogurt and all these things. So they are serving the same shelf in a department store. So they are competitors. But also this means that they need the same type of transport, temperature-controlled transport, and temperature-controlled warehousing, right? And as this type of, let's say, infrastructure is expensive, they would have a benefit in working together and sharing the same truck, even though they remain perfectly the competitor once in the shelf. But everything before the shelf they can do together.
So how did you persuade them? Was it difficult to persuade them to cooperate?
No, because they were quite some pioneers in this. So they had this as the next best thing to do. They tried everything else. So within their supply chain, they have been very, let's say, efficient and effective. But then, the next step is to better fill up the trucks. And they do not have the volume to fill up the truck, so they are dependent on the volume of someone else to fill up the truck. And what we did is kind of, let's say, orchestration, where we looked at the different shipments of the two companies and we tried to synchronize them. So this means that instead of using, let's say, 4 trucks for each shipment, a separate truck, a half-filled truck, we now move these 4 shipments into 2 times 2 shipments by synchronizing and making them, let's say, delivered at the same moment. But therefore, you need to bring these companies to the table and you need to have their agreement that it is possible to move a bit with their delivery because they want to be on time at the customer, right? And that's what we call orchestration. Active orchestration. This means we ask companies to change their deliveries in such a way that it can be combined with the other deliveries. And then we have a consolidation, we have a gain, and when a gain comes out, the gain is shared. And we as a company, as Tri-Vizor, as a neutral orchestrator, we share it in the most appropriate way based on the volume or based on an agreement they have made on how gains will be shared. But they don't see the, let's say, their customers or the other customers or the other volumes. No, there is a Chinese wall in between, which is kept by Tri-Vizor. But we guarantee that the consolidation is realized.
So there is a question of changing the sharing the data, actually. Are they willing to share the data or not? Or why is there a Chinese wall?
Yeah, very important. I think has to do with the governance. The governance of this community. So this means that the company knows if they share the data with the orchestrator, only with the orchestrator, they do not share it. You cannot ask them to share the data with the competitor, because then you are violating the antitrust law. So that's not allowed. You just share with the orchestrator, and the orchestrator has or receives all the data from all the participants and creates the consolidation out of that. You see? And it's very important to have a good governance so that the companies know exactly what will be done with our data and how it will be used, and how it will be used to calculate and to use it as a consolidation, and then how the consolidation gain will be reshared among the companies.
So how is it reshared? How is the gain reshared?
Well, depends. There are different formulas for that. It can be on the volume, but it can be on something else, like, for instance, added value or whatever. So there are different criteria to share the gain.
Even between these two, they changed the criteria. How was it?
Yeah, but they should agree on that. So they both agree that we will use volume as the criterion to share the benefits. If they want to change it, then we first change it. We agree it with the contract then again, and then it is implemented. So they know exactly that the rules that they have agreed upon will be followed.
Was the implementation difficult? And all this finding the criteria, debate?
It is a process. It is a process that is set up, and at that moment we act as an architect. This means that we bring the companies to the table. We know what are the relevant things, so we ask them the relevant questions. And we take them through all this process. But they talk to each other, and it's important that there is trust between the companies. especially these are competitors, we often ask also in this type of projects to have the CEO on board, because it is a strategic involvement and a strategic engagement. So it's very important to have the CEO on board, because his involvement is instrumental for the other company, let's say co-workers in the project, people who will help us, because these are most operational people. They know if they have a sign off of the CEO that they can take it further.
So what are the gains in figures, or percentage?
Yeah, very often, and in most of the projects that we see that the gains are ranging between plus 10% up to plus 20% sometimes. But very often it is double digit. And the gains are not only in costs, are very often also in reduced emissions. And also less transport moves. So there are multiple gains that come out of such a project very often.
Even the gains in profit. What's the ratio?
Well,
10%?
Yeah, the profits, so the cost reduction is very often between 10 and 20%.
So how did you actually persuade these two companies and people to cooperate? I think in Slovenia, this is a very difficult task.
Yeah, but not only in Slovenia, this is, by definition, it is strange for a company, because I don't know any private company who has a kind of, let's say, department of external affairs, where you learn to know someone else. So it is very strange for a company to sit with its competitor at a table, right? This requires a kind of mental barrier to step over. I always say, okay, we are now in society, we are at a point where this is what we call crossing the chasm. You know, you have the pioneers, believers in new concepts, and we are at that stage now where we see, and this is typically the 10 to 15 to 18% companies who say, okay, this is the way forward, we have to try it. And then you have a chasm to the so-called 23. So between, let's say, 18 and 23, if you can bring these pioneers further than the first 18, then it might go. So we expect that this will take up in the coming years, but it can be that, or let's say an external trigger, and it's a bit unfortunate to say, but sometimes a war or something else, let's say big disruptions in supply chain like COVID, could have been triggers of this. And probably after COVID, a number of companies have understood that, they could not continue to work as they are now working now, because their supply chain becomes too vulnerable. And that it is maybe time to go and look outside if it's possible to work together with the competitor. And we see it, there is a word for that nowadays, and that word is called ecosystems. Instead of talking about community, we more and more talk about ecosystems. And I hear in the narrative of a lot of companies today that they are looking to ecosystems. For instance, to do their purchasing of very special material or something like that. Then they go in a group together with other companies. So it will come in different forms and shapes in the future. But we guess that and we hope that, of course, that it will come, because the good thing is, in our daily society, so to say, we are used to that. We share cars, we share bikes, and basically it's the same. In logistics, we will have to share trucks in a better way than we share today.
Are there any other companies in Holland or somewhere else that are following this model?
Yeah, absolutely. And we have now a very good example here also on this Congress, which is the example of Fjord Frende. And Fjord Frende is a collaboration between two big salmon producers, Cargill and Skretting, and they producing salmon feed, which is injected at salmon farmers alongside, in the cages of the salmon farmers alongside the Norwegian coast. There are thousands of these farmers, and both Skretting and Cargill were using their own fleet to inject that feed into those farmers' cage. Well,
so, for the end of the interview, do you have any assessment about the Slovenian Logistic Association?
well, it is simple. I mean, instead of, and this is maybe also a mind shift for a number of logistics service providers and transport companies here in Slovenia, but anywhere in the world. Today in logistics, we only see growth of turnover as success. And this is not a correct criterion to evaluate success upon. Let's say the margin is a much better criterion, right? So this means that if you can fill up your truck with a much higher fill rate, the return on investment of your truck and the return that you will get, the profitability that you will get, will be much higher than we have now. We have badly filled trucks typically today, everywhere in Western Europe, and we see that the margins of most transport and logistics service providers range between -2% and +2%. And this is not enough. Even if they have high turnovers, this is a very weak type of turnover, an unstable type of turnover, as we know, because the contract switch is sometimes the way forward for many of these companies. So the duration of the contracts are very short, and this creates a very unstable turnover. We have to move to a stable turnover, which means that the margin, the profitability should be much higher and should be the number one criterion. Profitability and not turnover.
So, Mr. Alex Van Breedam, thank you very much for your comments.
You're very welcome. Thank you.